Infinity Speciale of Andy Moore. Okay. Second on the rostrum. Early days of PITC Speciale. Well, we've seen the kit. My daughter here. She's seen it. No pictures allowed, so we have to wait until Infinity releases the official picture, but from what I hear, it's faster than the old car. So this is our first day as well at RC Addict. We arrived yesterday, Feb 1. Today, race is on 3rd week of February. Getting some body tucks. This is the modified class. Practice session. Andy Moore's car. No video.